Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Newton Crypto Canada. Is it a private office? And how do you send BTC from Newton? I know. You're probably thinking, why would I want to know that? Well, there are a few reasons. First, Newton is a popular cryptocurrency exchange in Canada. So, if you're looking to buy or sell cryptocurrency, it's important to know what you're getting into. Second, there have been some concerns raised about the privacy of Newton users. So, I wanted to investigate those concerns and see if they were valid. Finally, I wanted to provide you with some information on how to send BTC from Newton. This can be helpful if you want to transfer your cryptocurrency to another wallet or exchange. So, let's get started. What is Newton Crypto Canada? Newton Crypto Canada is a cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in 2018. The company is headquartered in Toronto, Ontario. Newton offers a variety of services, including buying and selling cryptocurrency, trading cryptocurrency, and staking cryptocurrency. The company also offers a mobile app that makes it easy to buy and sell cryptocurrency on the go. Is Newton Crypto Canada a private office? No, Newton Crypto Canada is not a private office. It is a publicly traded company that is listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange. However, Newton does offer a premium service called Newton Pro. This service is only available to select users, and it provides access to a number of exclusive features, such as lower fees and priority support. How to send BTC from Newton? If you want to send BTC from Newton, there are a few steps you need to follow. Log into your Newton account. Click on the Send tab. Enter the address of the wallet you want to send BTC to. Enter the amount of BTC you want to send. Click on the Send button. Once you have completed these steps, your BTC will be sent to the wallet you specified. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and keep learning. Newton Crypto Canada is regulated by the Ontario Securities Commission. Newton offers a variety of security features such as two-factor authentication and cold storage. Newton has a good reputation for customer service. If you're looking for a safe and reliable way to buy and sell cryptocurrency, I recommend checking out Newton Crypto Canada. Thanks for watching.